Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make Oreo cupcakes. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a 12-cup muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, combine 1 box of chocolate cake mixed with the ingredients listed on its package, typically including 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of oil, and 2 large eggs. This forms your basic cupcake batter. Now, take about 15 to 20 Oreo cookies and crush them into small, irregular pieces. You can use a food processor or a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Gently fold these crushed Oreos into your prepared cake batter. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine until the cookie pieces are evenly distributed. Then, fill each cupcake liner about 2/3 full with this delicious batter. Place your filled muffin tin into the preheated oven. Bake for approximately 18-22 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center of a cupcake comes out clean. Once baked, remove the tin from the oven and let the cupcakes cool in the tin for about 5 minutes. This helps them set before you transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For the final touch, prepare your favorite vanilla or cream cheese frosting. You can use a store-bought tub or make your own. Once the cupcakes are completely cool, generously frost each one. For an extra special presentation, crush 5 to 7 more Oreo cookies and sprinkle them over the frosted cupcakes. Enjoy your homemade Oreo cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.